Now we want to use the matrix decomposition or determining the inverse of the coefficient matrix, and this is, this is ideally what we are supposed to get, the 1 over the vector, just the inverse of a times b, just that, then we get the values of x1 x2 and x3. So hiyo ndo tutakuja hapa, tuseme sasa using the inverse method. All right, okay. So what we do, we have our matrix coefficients, just have them as we have coefficients. Let me copy this. Let me see. Zimebadilika. Let's call it A. Let's call it A. Yeah, let's call it A. And our B, let's call it just 2 1 3. That's our B. Now, using the matrix decomposition, actually, that is solving the system of equation. There are many methods in MATLAB. One, you can say x is equals to A. This solves this in MATLAB. It just solves the system of equation. So when we run this, we're supposed to get our answers. Yeah, exactly, just as above. Now another method, you can use the solve. You can use the solve. You can make use of the solve function. And also maybe we can try to get the inverse of the function, the inverse of A. What do you get? The inverse of A by 3. Oh, okay. The inverse of A and our function, our answer inasema we get the determinant, 1 over determinant, okay, times the inverse, okay, it's not